Okay, so I'm going to give some homework help for the putting it all together lesson where you're pretty much practicing all your factoring work. We're going to take a look at question letter V that somebody had asked about. And in this question here, I want you to look at this question and see a trinomial. So I have two, and then this part right here, x plus a, this binomial squared, plus 3 times the same binomial plus 1. And so when I'm looking at this, I want us to see that this is just the same, except normally we would only have one variable in these two spots. So to make it a little bit easier for ourselves, what we can do is we can do a substitution. So I'm going to let y equal x plus a. Okay, so instead of seeing x plus a all over the place, I'm going to go ahead and sub in y for every x plus a that I see. So I'm going to have 2y squared plus 3y plus 1. Okay, and at this point, it should be fairly easy for everybody to factor. I'm hoping so. So hang on a minute, just going to move this up a little bit. Or maybe I can't. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and factor this. You can factor using staircase, decomposition. I'm going to go ahead and factor this one just in my head because I know that the two terms that multiply to 2y squared have to be 2y and y. I also know that the two terms that multiply to 1 have to be 1 and 1. And when I kind of figure out the rest of that, I know those both have to be plus. I double check my work by expanding in my head, okay, which gives me that 2y squared plus 2y plus 1y and then plus 1. So we're good there. So at this point, I am factored, okay, so I've factored from here to here, but I have to now go ahead and add that substitution back in, okay. So here I'm going to have 2, and instead of the y, I know y is actually equal to x plus a. And then I have plus 1. And then in the second bracket, I have x plus a instead of the y again, and then plus 1. Okay. Okay, so after I substitute back in for y, I just simplify it from here. So I know in this bracket here, I have 2x plus 2a plus 1. And then in this bracket here, I just have x plus a plus 1. Okay, so hopefully that helps with this question. I know there's a few other questions that look similar to it, so you can use the same method by doing a substitution, then factoring a trinomial, and then putting that binomial back in at the end. Okay, good luck.